Hey everybody, author Stephen Kosniewski here, and I have got an unboxing video for you. This just arrived on my doorstep, and I think I'm the only person in the world right now, maybe my girlfriend, who knows what's in this box right now. And it's something you're not going to believe. This is a brand new announcement from me, from French Press, which is my publishing house, formerly my personal imprint, but now my actual publishing house. This box is very exciting, and this is the first time this is being announced. And what this box contains that none of you have ever seen before is an exclusive and limited edition of Horsemen, a splatter Western script, which I wrote about 20 years ago. Now, this box here contains 50 copies of Horsemen. If you want to split hairs, it actually contains 51 because I'm going to keep one for myself. But this is it. This is the entire run of Horsemen. If you go and you look for this book, you'll be able to look. You'll be able to find it. It's on Amazon right now, but you will never be able to buy it again. This is because this is a limited edition. There are only 50 copies that have been made that have ever been made. I've had limited editions done by other folks for me before, from Thunderstorm Books. The great folks at Thunderstorm Books have done some of these beautiful works of mine, but this is the first one I'm doing for myself. There are 50 copies here. These are the only 50 copies that are ever going to exist. Okay, I'm going to spend the rest of the night here, sitting here with my pen that I got from my very first publisher Brain Eater Jones, Red Adept Publishing. This was a wooden handcrafted pen that the publisher's husband made for me. It is very kind. I'm going to sit here for the rest of the night with this pen, and I'm going to fill out all 50 of these copies, and that's it. Now, if you're coming to Scares That Cares in July, late July of this year, 2022, you'll be able to get a copy. If it sells out at Scares That Care, that's it. If I have a couple of copies left over, maybe I'll be able to sell it to you, online. Maybe you'll be able to see me at another convention. But for all intents and purposes, this is going to be a Scares That Cares 2022 exclusive. If you see me and you see that I still have copies of Horsemen, get it, because that's the only time you're going to be able to get it. I'm very excited about this. Looking forward to seeing you all there. So thanks, everybody. Thanks for all the support.